Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Substance Painter. Today I will talk about how to import UDIMS in Substance Painter. As you see, the car has UDIMS and includes 7 UV space. And I assigned materials to car. If we want to import UDIMS to Substance Painter, we go to the File and New menu. And after importing the model, in the UV tile settings section, we have 2 options to import UDIMS, which I will show you. First option, make every material that we assign it to different parts become a separate texture set. And the second option, turn each UV space into a texture set. But the important thing is that when we use the second options, first check that the UVs are not overlapping in 3D software. As you see, the materials become texture sets. Now, when we choose the second options, each UV space becomes a texture set.